Hi, welcome to Kixie in a Minute. Today we're going to be taking a look at your subscription page so you know exactly what you're paying for and when you're going to be paying for it next. Let's jump right in. First, you're going to want to go to app.kixie.com to access your Kixie Dashboard. Then you're going to want to navigate to Billing and then Subscription in the bottom left corner here. On this page, you'll see an itemized breakdown of what you're paying for on your account. This column will show you every product on your account, line by line. You'll see the start date, which is the date that that product was added to your account. You'll see your bill cycle, which is how frequently you're going to be billed. And then you'll see a price for each product line by line here. The far right side will show you the current until date. This is the next date that you can expect to receive a charge for this product on your account. If you look at the top here, you're going to see a couple more things related to your billing. You'll see a discount percentage if you have one and how long that discount percentage runs for. You'll see your minutes reserve balance, which is a reserve that is applied to all Kixie accounts as a safeguard to help keep your account active in the event that you make a really expensive phone call or as you send texts, your charge will come out of the minutes reserve balance. And this is a balance that's applied to all Kixie accounts. If you make an expensive phone call or any text message that you send, that will be pulled from your reserve balance amount. If you ever want to make adjustments to how much you're recharged for when a minutes reserve charge happens, or you want to adjust the floor for when your balance falls below a certain amount, how much you will be recharged, you will see these two options here. If you ever want to make an adjustment to the floor on your account for the minutes reserve balance, you can adjust this bottom amount here. And then this top amount will show you how much you would like to be recharged when you fall below that threshold. And that takes care of that. An itemized breakdown of the products on your account all in one place. Thank you for watching Kixie in a Minute.